Today, we'll show you how to use AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT to quickly create and upload 1,000 relatable and shareable shorts in just 17 minutes, all without spending a dime. And your YouTube channel can earn a whopping $41,000 every month by using AI for short video content. So let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with step 1, crafting engaging AI facts. You know, the foundation of any good AI influencer's content is relatable and engaging facts. But how do you come up with these gems? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Imagine a tool that helps you generate relatable and engaging sets of facts effortlessly. You don't have to imagine it because it exists. We use a prompt to do just that. What's a prompt, you ask? It's like a creative spark that sets the AI's gears in motion. Think of it as the magic wand for crafting AI influencer content. The secret sauce here is a tool that formats the information for easy copying and pasting. This is where the real magic happens. You see, you generate not just a few, but a whopping 50 facts. Well, why 50? Well, it's all about quality, my friends. Asking for more might decrease the quality of the output, and we want our AI influencers to shine. Now these facts come with columns for different types of facts, starting points, and punchlines. It's like a well-organized treasure trove of content ideas. Moving right along to step 2, generating YouTube video prompts. Once you've got those fantastic AI facts in hand, it's time to turn them into captivating video content. But how do you generate a large number of YouTube video prompts while maintaining quality? Well, we've got you covered. Here's the key. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start with a smaller amount at a time. Quality over quantity, my friends. We want each video prompt to shine like a star. So copy and paste your well-crafted AI facts into your prompts. Now the beauty of this method is that you can use those same prompts to generate over 1,000 unique ideas. That's right, you heard me correctly. 1,000 possibilities from a single set of facts. How awesome is that? And to bring these prompts to life, we have a nifty tool in our arsenal, Canva. It's super user-friendly, and you can sign up for a free account. All you need to do is access the search bar and make slight adjustments to customize your video ideas. With Canva, you're just a few clicks away from creating multiple videos that will keep your audience engaged and entertained. All right, welcome to step 3, crafting YouTube shorts with Canva. We're about to take your AI influencer game to the next level by creating engaging short videos. So how do we do it? It's simpler than you might think. First things first, head on over to Canva and let's get started. Now, if you're not rocking a free trial, no worries. You can still use Canva's free templates. Just avoid those fancy crown icons. Now the secret sauce here is Canva's YouTube Shorts template. It's your canvas for crafting engaging short videos. Once you've got it open, here's what you do. Select the YouTube Shorts template. It's tailor-made for these bite-sized video wonders. You're on the right track. Add a background video. Choose something mesmerizing like an ambient nature video. Trust me, it's a surefire way to grab your audience's attention. But here's the kicker. Make sure that your chosen video is super short. We're talking 5 to 6 seconds max. This is the secret sauce to YouTube Shorts, which are quick, snappy, and attention-grabbing. And while you're at it, remove any background noise or music. We want crystal clear visuals and a soothing experience. Now let's sprinkle some magic on your video. It's time for step 4, styling text for impact. Adding text can take your AI influencer content to the next level. So here's how we do it. You've got your ambient nature video as the backdrop, right? Great. Now add some text placeholders. We're going to make these placeholders work for us. Replace the text in those placeholders with the word topic. This is where your AI influencer's wisdom will shine, and topic keeps things versatile and intriguing. Now style it up. Change the text color to a crisp white and add a sleek black background for maximum readability. We want those words to pop on the screen, but change up the font to make it uniquely yours. Experiment, get creative, and find a style that matches your AI influencer's personality. Now here's the icing on the cake. Duplicate that text, and here's why. Add an outline and increase the thickness. This not only makes your text stand out, but also ensures it's easily readable against different backgrounds. Welcome to step 5, perfecting text alignment and timing in Canva. We've got our YouTube Shorts taking shape, but to truly mesmerize our audience, we need to ensure that every piece of text aligns flawlessly, creating a seamless experience. So here's how you do it. First things first, remember that awesome text we created in part 1? Well, we're going to put it to good use. Duplicate it and drag it down right below part 1. Why? Because we want it to eventually show in the same place as part 1. This makes it a breeze to connect the data and automate the process, especially when dealing with long sets of text and those snappy topics. Now it's time to fine-tune. Adjust the text alignment and timing in Canva for your YouTube Shorts videos. This is crucial to ensure that your audience can read the text comfortably and without any overlap between Part 1 and Part 2. We want to flow seamlessly. Remember, readability is key. It's the difference between a captivating YouTube short and one that leaves your audience scratching their heads. So get that alignment and timing just right. Now let's dive into Step 6, enhancing retention and watch rate. To keep your audience glued to their screens, we need to make some strategic moves. First, let's talk about video clips. The shorter, the better. Consider using shorter video clips to maintain your audience's interest and keep them engaged throughout the entire video. Now let's connect those topics, Part 1 and Part 2. We're going to use Canva's bulk creative tool to make this process a breeze. Here's what you do. Copy and paste the text from ChatGPT into the tool's data entry section. This connects your AI-generated content seamlessly to Canva's video editor. Next, it's time to display both sets of text sequentially. How do we do that? Simple. Just drag Part 2 over Part 1 in the editor. This ensures that your viewers see a smooth transition between the two sections, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Voila! You've just connected the dots, creating a compelling and continuous narrative for your AI influencer content. Now that you've perfected your YouTube Shorts, it's time to take things up a notch. It's time to generate and export multiple YouTube Shorts using AI and automation without the need for professional video editing skills. With your well-crafted AI facts and Canva prowess, you can create a library of captivating shorts in no time. And trust me, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our AI adventures.